Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to share with you everything that I received from walking the floor at BeautyCon LA this past weekend. Now I was going to do this with my experience at BeautyCon, but I decided that after going through everything that I had that was going to take too long, so that is actually going to be a separate video. So lots of BeautyCon videos, lots of great content. This one is just going to be from walking the floor, what I received from the exhibition, from the convention, and then I will do my experience video, and then I will also do my giveaway. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to do the giveaway as a completely separate video or if I'm just going to throw that into the experience, but I will keep you guys updated on that, either on Instagram or on Twitter. You guys can follow me on those two platforms. I will have my social media link down below. Make sure you check it out, and while you are visiting the description box and looking underneath the video and all that, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell so that you can be notified of when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started with this haul. Alright, so this is everything that I received from walking along the floor. It is a bunch of stuff. I'm going to start with some of these bags over here. These are bags that I got specifically from booths or from brands, and they gave out a bag with whatever they were giving away. So I'm going to start with this one. This one's from the Mask Bar, and inside I have some face masks. So I have chocolate eclair cream mask, whipped cream and strawberry cream mask, Pretty Animals zebra hydrating sheet mask. So this one actually looks like a zebra. And then the last one is the silver foil sheet mask. Moving on to Joa Beauty, this is their bag, and inside they gave me 3 small products. So I have from them, I have the Selfie Ready Mattifying Primer, the Skin Polish Peel Off Mask in Charcoal, and then I also have an I'm Your Jelly Bay Matte Gel Lipstick inside this little container. You can kind of see it right there. Can't really tell the color though. It's like a light pink nudie shade. I guess I could just take it out, right? Okay, so I took it out of the packaging, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice nudie pink shade. Very pretty. And it has a floral scent to it. And it's in the shade Babe. Next up, from Converse, I have this bag. This is what it looks like. And they gave me a 20% off coupon code. And then I also have 2 pairs of BeautyCon Converse shoelaces, as well as 2 buttons that just say like the Converse sign and then LA. There you go. So that was from Converse. Next up, I have from CVS Beauty. I have this bag. It says Eat, Sleep, Beauty, Repeat. And they gave me a little fake tattoo. And then a little gift bag with some products in it. These were all completely random. My friends and Abraham and I all got completely different things inside these bags. So what I received first was from Ardell. It's a twin pack of Demi lashes. Then I also received a Joa Beauty Selfie Ready Mattifying Primer, another one of those. And then the last one was from LA Girl, and it's a matte flat velvet lipstick, and it's like a berry wine shade, if you can see. From Revlon, I have this giant bag, and inside I was able to choose one of 3 lipsticks, and I chose Matte Rise Up Rose. This is like their new like cosmic collection. I'm not really sure what the collection's called, but this is what the shade is. It's like a nudie brown. I'm not going to open it right now because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to give it away. And then you could have chose, I think it was from like a really berry color and then a super hot pink. Alright, moving on. This is the rest of the stuff I received. I just have it in this gift bag here, and let's go ahead and jump on into what's in this bag. So first up, from Sally Beauty, I have these heart wobbly headbands. They light up. They're pretty neat. They're super awkward to wear because they just wobble all over the place. I'm going to save those for later. I have a bunch of sheet masks. Again, like that I feel like was the theme of BeautyCon this year, is just sheet masks. So this one is from Sun & Park, and it's the Beautiful Mask Clean type. That's what it looks like. From Bryce Skin, it's the Real Fit Second Skin Premium Biocellulose Hydration, Moisturizing, and Soothing Mask. And there was actually, when I got to the event on Saturday, there was a guy just out there next to the doors where you walk in with a bowl of masks, and he said take one of everything. So that's where a lot of these came from. I don't know where this one's from. CosRX maybe. It's a softening sheet, clearing sheet, and relaxing sheet, and this is for your nose. I also have from Diet Bow, I'm not sure. It looks like it's a honey, oh, it says honey jam mask. This one is a thread lifting mask pack, and it's got for hydration, anti-aging, lifting skin, moisturizing, whitening, and also comes with eye collagen lifting serum and hyaluronic cream. I have another Bryce Skin one, and it's another premium biocellulose for radiance, revitalizing, energy, and brightening. I have a soothing and calming from Skin Studio. A pink guava peel off. A Yes to Tomatoes detoxifying charcoal mud mask. And from Double Dare, a OMG Platinum Silver Facial Mask Kit. And at this booth you were able to choose from like 6 different masks, and this is the one that I chose because it's for revitalizing and brightening. Next up, from Calm Leaf, they were so kind to gift me with this. This is the AHA Green Tea Peeling Liquid for soothing and moisture, as well as some blotting paper. Thank you so much, Emily. I really appreciate this. Next up, from Aveda, I have a Cherry Almond Softening Shampoo and Conditioner set. Urban Decay gave us a Hydra Charge Complexion Prep Priming Spray and Quick Fix, so that's super exciting. They also gave us like a little sample. It's in the bag somewhere. Or I guess it's right here. It's their All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer Sample Set. I have some Multi-Collagen Protein. Maybelline, I have the Lemonade Craze palette, and I also have the City Mini palette in Rooftop Bronzes. So I went there Saturday and Sunday. You took a little quiz, and then you were given a palette that came up on the screen. So Saturday I got this one, and Sunday I got this one. Oh, Revlon also, they gave us a volumizing mascara. This is what it looks like. This was also from Mask Bar, and it's a silver foil peel off mask. This was also from Sally Beauty, and this is a Damage Slayer Hydrator Steam Conditioning Mask for your hair. At Milani, I was able to get 2 things because I had Abraham with me, so I have their Holographic Beams Stellar Lights Highlighter Palette, which looks like this. And then I also have 3 of their Stellar Lights Holographic Lip Glosses in Opalescent, Prismatic Pink, and Luminous Peach. This is what those look like. Schmidt's, I was able to get some deodorants. These are for sensitive skin, or at least these 2 are. These are in the coconut pineapple scent. And then this one is a rose vanilla. And then I also have a charcoal and magnesium, but I've been using that one and I really like it. Some more multi-collagen proteins. Oh, Maybelline, they also gave me a Falsies mascara because I had them do a touch-up on me. So they gifted me that. From Rimmel, I was able to get this bright eyeshadow palette, as well as the Wonder Ombre holographic eyeliner in Purple Prism. And then 2 liquid lip colors. One is in Raw Kiss and one is in Moi. That's what those look like. Eco Style, I was able to get another olive oil and shea butter black castor oil gel. I don't remember the brand that was giving this out. It's just a unicorn horn. From Sally Hansen, I went there Saturday and Sunday, and I was able to get 2 of these, one each day. These are the airbrushed legs, leg makeup in light glow, so you just spray it on like a spray tan. And then Saturday I got this polish in Making Mauves, and then on Sunday I got this one in White on Time. This was also from that guy right at the door, and it's a meso spray. It's for protection of epidermis, which is your skin, from external stimuli and prevention of skin dryness. This was also from Schmidt's. It's the Bergamot Lime Natural Soap. They also have this in a deodorant, but they were out on Sunday, so I wasn't able to get one. I have a fan. I have some Beauty Collagen from Vital Proteins. From Karuna, I have a Face for All hydration infused cleanser. They were really cool because they told me that they were the first sheet mask company to come to the US, so that was very interesting to learn. NYX, I was able to color match and get their brand new Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation, and I have mine in light porcelain. I have not used it yet. From Flower Beauty, I have this newspaper type thing. I don't really know what it is. I haven't looked through it. And then I also have this tiny little perfume sample. Violet Voss, I have another silicone sponge. Also from Aveda, I've got small trial size of the shampoo and conditioner in Cherry Almond. This is from Yes to Tomatoes. It's the detoxifying charcoal facial wipe. This was from Double Dare OMG. When you chose the mask, you got a matching fan. So this is what mine looks like. Super pretty. Love those types of fans. I had one as a little girl, and I think all day long I would just go like this. And it probably drove my mom crazy because one day it just disappeared. From Nude Sticks, I have some magnetic matte eye colors. I have 2 in Taupe and 1 in Moon. That's what those look like. And then I also have a sharpener. I've got a bunch of little tiny samples coming up. So I've got from Hourglass, I've got the Veil Mineral Primer. I have from So Fresh So Clean, a charcoal cleansing nose strip. Nature Republic, they gave us like a little packet of stuff. So I've got an Aqua Max Combination Watery, not sure exactly what that is. Eye Code Hydra Alluring Essence. Pure Bud Relief Foam Cleanser. Soothing and Moisture Cactus Soothing Gel. A Power 10 Formula PO Effector with something from It's Skin. I've got a bunch more of them, but they're like in different colors. I've got that one and I've got this blue one, and I'm gonna have to like look up what they mean, but I've got a bunch of those. Oh, and I have a yellow one also. Next, I have a ton of these E-Nature Marshmallow Cleansing Foams. There's literally like a deck of cards of them. Then also from them, I have the Birch Juice Hydro Program, and it's got an emulsion and an essence skin. Again, I'm gonna have to look up what these exactly mean, but I have a bunch of those also. From Clean and Clear, I have their Chill Out Cooling Mint Pore Cleanser. Thank you, Brian, for your help with that. I appreciate it. And then I have this sticker from Hourglass. It says Caution. I have this tiny little cream eyeliner, or not eyeliner, eyeshadow from Pure. And then I've got these 2 little buttons from Schmidt's. One says the face, or the new face of natural, one just says Schmidt's. And then I've got a bunch of stuff from Face Story. Janice, thank you so much for these. So this is what the bag looks like. They're all in those same type of bags. So first up, I've got some stickers. Those are cute. Then I've got a Honey Nourishing Mask. I have a collagen anti-wrinkle mask. I have another collagen anti-wrinkle mask. And then I have a SkinRx nutritive mask. And I actually had a couple more, but I gave them to my friend Jackie. And then last I have, and I'm not sure what this booth is, but I have 3 of these packs. Again, I gave one to my friend Jackie. So this is what it looks like, and there's just a bunch of stuff inside. All this stuff is the same with the exception of this mask and these 2 blue ones, but the rest of the stuff inside is the same. So I'm only going to open one up and show you guys. But this is the Keep Cool and Let Shine Intensive Whitening Second Skin Mask, and the blue one is the Keep Cool and Drink Ocean Intensive Hydrating Second Skin Mask. So inside the actual packet, there's a paper that tells you everything that's inside, which is pretty neat. It's the K-Beauty Oasis. So I guess it's just a bunch of different brands. So I have that first mask, the Keep Calm and Drink Ocean. Then there's the Unpa Good Day Kit, which has cleansing pads and moisture pads. The Pure Heals by Nature Village Propolis 80 Sleeping Pack. The Pure Heals by Nature Village Ginseng Berry Eye Lift Patch. The Skin and Lab Skin Science Solution Dr. Color Effect Red Serum and Red Cream. I'm not sure what these do, have to look those up. Thank You Farmer Back to Iceland Cleansing Foam. A PHA Moisture Renewal Power Cream. Thank You Farmer Miracle Age Repair Cream. Thank You Farmer True Water Deep Serum. And a Thank You Farmer Back to Iceland Peeling Cream. So that is officially everything that I received at BeautyCon Los Angeles this year. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm enjoying making them for you. Please go ahead, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, leave a comment down below, like this video, subscribe, and keep an eye out for the experience and the giveaway. And I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.